Hello everyone, now we are going to making a sorting bot. For that, create a document sorting bot to automate the process of extracting the data from an Excel file according to the specific conditions and store them in another Excel file. Here we need to do that. Firstly, it has the four steps. First one, we need to import the Excel file, and then second step is we need to create a document, duplicate a sheet, and then third one we need to transport the data from the first file to duplicate file, and then we are gonna filter and then we're gonna sort it. Now we are going to execute it. Here firstly I'm taken that using the Excel file, and then I'm imported the Excel sheet from my folder, and then I'm given a name as that one Excel one, and then now I'm created a duplicate sheet which is imported with an employee which is with employee data, and then I'm renamed the duplicate sheet into the employee minority. Now I filtered it with the Excel sheet of employee minority, and I'm given the column name is minority, and I'm here given that configure is one which is sorting that the one, and then name is, and then I am given the sort range which is for the employee minority. It is in the gender form. We need to get the ascending order, which means that in the alphabetical order, the ascending order means firstly yeah, a female and then next male. Because of the alphabetical order, F is smaller than M. So first we need to get the F, and then we need to get the M, like the line wise, and then I'm again sorted by the column of salary, which is descending order. That means firstly the highest salary to lowest salary for the gender wise. Here it is. Now we are going to execute it. Here you can see that genders are firstly the I am sorted that the gender in the ascending order. So here we get that firstly F and then M, and also here we get salary, which is the highest price to lowest price for female, and then highest salary to lowest salary for a male. Hence the sorting is successful and the last one is successful, hence proved. Thank you.